Okay, here, Nathan. I'm going to put this one in here. Right, we put it in the end, we flip it over. Okay. Now, put it in there, and then all the way, and then tip it forward. Whoops. Got to stick it in there all the way. Ready? Tip it forward. Yeah. Oh, look. Alright, so you got the bead part up, right? Yep. So we'll hold it, I'll hold it right here. Ready? We're going to switch. Do this one. Stick this one in there. We'll hold it down. Hold it down. Yep. Stick that one in there. Now tip it up. Nope, stick it in there. This is how we get the, we gotta get the tire off to get to the tube. Yep, ready? Tip it forward. Oh, hand underneath. Ready? You like the light, don't you? Yeah. Can you turn it on so we can see it? Yeah, it's dark. Here you go, Nathan. You tip it forward. Up, 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 up. Oh, almost. Can we get the bead up? Oh, that's a spicy one. Ready? Ready? And go. Oh, pop. Yeah. All right. So here. So lean on this one with your hand. Right here. This hand. Do you want to help me some more? Nathan, do you want to help some more? Or are you all done? You want to help one more? Ready? Let's see. Get in there all the way. Ready? Up, 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 up. Yeah! You did it! Look! It's a bead. The bead's up. Where's the bead? Yeah. Do you want to put this one? Can you put it in there? Are you all done? You want to help? You want to help? Put it in there. Alright, now how do? We lift it up? You did it! You did it! You did it! Do it again. Ready? Oh! Look! Okay, now tip it all the way over and hold it flat. Push it flat. There you go. Okay, now take this one. We'll do it again. Stick it in here. Maybe use that hand. Because you're right-handed, yeah. Alright. Push it in there all the way. Push. 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 Yeah. Okay. Now tip it up. Yay! Okay, we leave it down. Alright, ready? This one. Yep. Maybe use your right hand. You want to use your right hand? There you go. Stick it in this way. Yep. Stick it in all the way. Okay. And oh, almost. Do it again. Yay! Okay. One more right there, and then we get it. Oh, let's get it in all the way. Give it a good shove. Oh, I think we're on the stem. Ready? Oh, almost. 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 It's the last one. Last one's always tricky. There you go. Okay, do it. You got it! You got it! Yay! Yay! Look, we got it all the way around. Is this the valve stem? Can you say stem? Say stem. Stem. Yep, valve stem. Okay, now let's look here. Can we get this? Do you think we can get this tube up? Tire up? Tire up. What's inside there? There's an art to this too, but look here, what is this? Is that a tube? Is that juice? Tube. Oh no, don't chew on it, honey. Ouch. We got it! Yay! Yeah? Can you say tube? Tube.